Hi, my name is Frankie Boyd. I'm a New York-based makeup artist working today with Wonder 2 High Tech Beauty, and I'm going to show you the CAVIAR Illuminator. So I'm going to use a CAVIAR Illuminator to pump the skin texture to add expensive highlights and bring dewy texture to the skin. So I'm going to use my finger and I'm going to go right into the top of the chin, highlighting the very top. I don't take it too low. I wanted to just emulate the reflection of light. This is a great way to play with the skin texture without using contour. You're almost kind of doing a reverse contour, if you will. I add it on the bridge of the nose here, and you notice I added it onto the Cupid's bow up here. And I'll take it toward the hairline on the temple of the brow, and you'll see it just really pumps the texture of her skin, gives her really nice, radiant, dewy highlights. I love this because it doesn't look like makeup. It just emulates beautiful, young, perfect skin. So now I'm gonna use the oval brush. I add a tiny little highlight on the inside of the eye just to make the inside pop here. And you'll notice it's buildable, so I can keep applying more. And you see how that makes the inside of the eye pop? So using my finger to just press in the highlights again. I take it into the hairline, on top of the cheekbone here, and under the brow. So what I love about the CAVIAR Illuminator is it has a light encapsulation technology, which is pure pigment with no fillers. So you're getting amazing, gorgeous shine without the things that you don't need. I did my application on Daria, and now I want her to try it. Okay, you want to give it a whirl?
Okay.
Okay, super simple. What do you think?
So easy.
Perfect.